Hello, I'm James Koliskowski, one of your Paratech regional representatives. Today I'm coming to you from Banner Fire Equipment here in Southern Illinois. Today I want to spend just a moment answering one of the most common questions that I hear out there in the field is how long are airbags good for? Well, Paratech airbags from the beginning have been made of neoprene rubber, reinforced with either Kevlar or aramid fiber. Well, similar to any other living rubber material, just like truck tires, airbags do have a limited lifespan to them. So truck tires, you may be familiar with the NFPA standard that requires you to replace your truck tires every 7 years. Paratech, we're going to be a little bit longer on your airbags, more like 15 years. The issue with the rubber material that's used in airbags is that over time it hardens, becomes less elastic, and less safe, therefore no longer being good for operation in a life safety environment. So at 15 years, it's time to replace your bags. The question comes up, how do I know how old my bags are? Most recent versions of Paratech bags can be easily identified via the serial number that shows a year and month date of manufacture for your airbags. If it's an older Paratech set or a competitive manufacturer, I would encourage you to go ahead and log on to the Paratech website, enter your serial numbers into the Paratech Airbag Checker tool. That checker tool will then give you feedback and let you know how old your bags are, whether it's time to go ahead and replace those, or if you're good for another few years. If they require replacement, I encourage you to take advantage of the Paratech Trade-In Program. That trade-in program is available through any of our primary partner dealers, including Banner Fire Equipment here in Illinois and Missouri. That trade-in program provides you a 20% discount off replacement bags, regardless of the size that you're trading in and replacing them with. So for additional information on how to decode the vintage of your airbags, or for more information on the trade-in program, please contact your local sales representative from Banner Fire Equipment for Missouri or Illinois.